Let's dive into the steps on how to create and use proxy files in Premiere Pro. Here's how you can do it. First, open your project in Premiere Pro. Then, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down, select Project Settings, and then select the Ingest Settings. In the Ingest Settings panel, check the box that says Ingest. This tells Premiere Pro that you want to create proxies for your media. Here, you'll see different options for creating proxies. Choose Create Proxies, then select the preset for your proxy files. Adobe provides several presets, and you can choose the one that best fits your needs. For example, you might choose a lower resolution format like 720p for your proxies. After selecting your preset, choose where you want the proxy files to be saved. You can save them next to your original media or in a separate folder. Once you've set everything up, click OK to apply the settings. Now, when you import your media into Premiere Pro, it will automatically create proxy files. You can tell Premiere Pro to use these proxy files while you edit by going to the Program Monitor, clicking on the button editor, a little plus icon, and then dragging the Toggle Proxies button to your toolbar. When you click this button, Premiere Pro will switch between using the original files and the proxy files. Here's an example to illustrate. Let's say you're working on a travel video with 4K footage. With proxies, you can smoothly edit your clips, add effects, and preview your work without any lag. When you're ready to export your final video, Premiere Pro will use the original high-resolution files to ensure the best quality.